I'm not used to those kind of thing. You kind of like make frenzy, on the smell or stuff like that. But we feel that that's what Jesus is calling us to do.
Oh man.
And just to see the happiness in her face, and even the kids react to that, because I asked her how the kids feel to see all that change in the house. She said that they were still simulating all that thing happened, and the home was quiet, nicely, and everything was in order.
Right. Yeah.
So even the kids can see the difference in there. And I remember when we started us with Brother Don Miller. So sometimes he would show some picture with people with wounds and stuff like that, and we do this, and he said, "Don't do it, missionary. Don't do those things."
No.
And yeah, so you have to be like normal, because when you do that, people can see. It's like it's a bad impression to the people.
Yeah, he used to say, just say, interesting.
Yes, yeah. And so going to have that lady said I feel like putting practice what we're teaching us, and just the starting. You might if you're gonna continue to do this work, we might get some worse things to do.
Yeah.
So this is just a beginning to help us, and I think that's the best. This week has been a blessing to help others and to feel like you are God's hand.
You are. You were. I mean, you did. I mean, it's. If you read about it, Sister White calls it disinterested love, disinterested benevolence, and that's what you showed to this woman. She doesn't know you from Adam. I mean, you're strangers, and you come into her house, and here you're cleaning her filth.
And one of the things, she trusts us, because she let us do what we want to do. She didn't say don't do this, don't do that. And yesterday she was asking for some stuff. Some I did myself, threw them away, threw them in the trash. But she didn't get mad. She didn't say nothing. The only thing she said, don't touch it, her books, like not to throw nothing about, because she loves to read, she loves to collect books. That's the only restriction she put. But she trusts us to do whatever we want to do it. To make her house, to put her house in order.
Oh, her house! I mean, it was a total transformation. You didn't see it, but these ladies, they were in there, and Cilio and I went in, and I was just totally amazed. The windows were open. You had candles going. Everything looked. Sunlight was in there. I mean, it was a transformation.
And in the end, we prepared a meal for them. And Sister Gloria said,
you prepared a meal?
Yeah, you prepared a meal for her. I mean, it was just, oh man.
Yes,
I mean, that was the highlight. That was the highlight for me.
Yeah, and
what you guys did for her.
Transformed the bathroom too.
Yes.
You did?
Sister Gloria did.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, it's amazing. I've never seen it like that before.
It's truly putting the gospel into practice. That's what it's been.
The lady called actually this morning. She apologized that she could not come.
Oh, look at that.
She said that she has birthday tomorrow, so her grandchildren wanted to take her out. That's what she said. But she said that she loves everybody again, how she's thankful to everybody, and that she's sorry she couldn't come.
You know, I had the opportunity to see a reaction from the 19-year-old great-grandson. Because I was amazed that he came in the first day. He had somewhere to place his feet, a table to put his groceries that he bought, and it seemed like nothing. Like he just walked through and went to his room, and I'm like, if I was in his shoes, I would be walking with my jaws dropped, right? But then he came in yesterday, and I saw him stand and shake his head.
Really?
And he totally went off into space. Like for about a minute, like seriously, just looking at the living room.
Oh, it's just, yeah.
He just stood there and shook his head. So I think finally he saw that something happened in the Lord.
I tell you, I'm almost positive that the angels of God were there with you. Absolutely. Absolutely.
We can be sure of that because